Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Drag. In my last video, I had shown you that today I will make a fidget spinner app. To make that app, first you will have to log in into MIT App Inventor. Start a new project. Name it as fidget spinner. If you get this type of notification, click on continue. Now friends, you can change the properties of screen 1. I am making the horizontal alignment to center and the background color to green. Drag two horizontal arrangements to screen 1 and go to drawing and animation and drag a canvas to screen 1. In the canvas you have to drag a image sprite. Make the height and width of the canvas to fill parent. Also make the image sprite height and width to fill parent. Make the height to 10% of the horizontal arrangement and the width to fill parent. I am making the background color to orange, making the horizontal alignment and vertical alignment to center. Same I will do for the other horizontal arrangement. So now as this is done, you have to upload a fidget spinner image as the picture for the image sprite. If you don't have a fidget spinner image, link is given down in the description. Check the description to find the image. Go to user interface and drag two labels to the horizontal arrangements. Make the font size to 30. Change the text of label 1 to speed. And the text of the second label to friction. Drag two sliders next to the labels and make the width of them to 30%. Now, you should make the maximum value of the speed slider to 10 and the minimum value to 1. The thumb position should be 5. For the friction slider, you have to make the thumb position 5, the minimum value -1 and the max value 1. So now our designer is complete. In the next video, I will show you how to code it. Thank you friends. Stay home, stay safe.